Hello, this is Dan with Leaky Sprinkler. We're out here in Arvada taking a look at a mushy spot in the grass and trying to determine what may be going on, what may be causing this. A lot of times, if you can look down here, you see that this area is very saturated with water, very mushy. You can see the water pooling up, and that mushiness extends about 10 to 12 to 16 inches around this head. Many times that's a broken riser at the bottom of the head. But we're going to do a little diagnosis here, and we're going to turn the system on and just see what we see. So the zone's been on for a couple minutes. We've shut it off. And now a lot of times just looking at what's going on with the system, here you have a lot of residual water just leaking out of this head, creating this mushy area. So this is probably our primary problem here, is just a head that's leaking when the zone shut off, just the pressure. A couple things we can do to solve that. We can install what's called a check valve in the head, which is a rubber stopper and just allows the when the riser, the stem comes down, basically just it has a rubber stopper and it shuts off the water from dribbling out. It is still possible there's a broken riser, but we're going to change this head out and install a check valve in here, check valve pop-up, and see if that cures the problem. Nice pop-up head. This here is a 3-inch pop-up. And installing a check valve is pretty simple with Hunter products. This little piece of plastic acts as the check valve. It inserts in the bottom of this pop-up head, just snaps in there. And it's this rubber stopper that will actually seal the head when the zone shuts off. So not all models of heads have these, but Hunter has a really good design, very user-friendly, and very easy to accomplish. Hello, this is Dan with Dan's Lawn and Sprinkler again. We're back here taking a look at this repair. So we have replaced this head. The zone is now shut off, and you can see now there's no more leaking water coming from this head. The check that we have installed has completely shut the residual water that was leaking and creating this really nasty putrid mess here. So this will dry out over some time. It's going to take some time because this area has been really oversaturated, but within a week to do, this area should be back to normal. The putrid water, the standing water that's been stagnant every time the zone shuts off and been leaking for many minutes afterwards, is going to stop, and this will take care of. So once again, Hunter makes a really nice check valve that we used and installed to fix this problem. Thanks again.